Shotoku System. Brendan Mace's Shotoku System. Shotoku System, there's no reason to overcomplicate online income. At the end of the day, all you need is assets, traffic and offers. 50 plus done for you Shotoku assets. Forget about creating assets from scratch. Select from our large catalog of assets in a wide range of niches. One-click monetization. Add monetization to your assets with a single click. Select either a focus on generating leads or commissions with our included landing pages. 20 done for you Shotoku Traffic Taps. Gather traffic easily with our push-button interface. Select from our popular traffic options and blast away. Go Shotoku. In less than 5 minutes, we are not exaggerating at all. Shotoku is fast, it's 100% realistic to unleash a full campaign in less than 5 minutes. Boom! If one campaign takes just 5 minutes, how many campaigns per hour could you run? Your copy of Shotoku comes with unlimited campaigns. And that's right out of the box. No upgrades are needed to unlock additional campaigns. You get access to unlimited straight off the bat. Furthermore, in addition to a full asset catalog, we are also allowing you to import unlimited assets into Shotoku as you want. Have any PLR laying around? Throw it in the software. We know most people have 100 plus ebooks just sitting collecting dust on their hard drive. Now is the time to cash in. And even if you don't have extra assets, you're getting 50 to start with inside Shotoku, and I will show you exactly where to go to get even more. Shotoku System upgrade offers, photos. Pay $17.97. Our software creates a full business in a box with 50 DFY assets that can be monetized in one click. Photo 1, $37. The Platinum edition of the software remove all the restrictions. Photo 2, $197. Done for you. Photo 3, $97. The source gives people source access to all of the 50 DFY assets to modify them however you see fit, with full license to everything. Photo 4, $197. Unlimited traffic, become a member of our VIP traffic group. Photo 5, $167. License rights to sell Shotoku System as your own product. Shotoku System, Brendan Mace's Shotoku System.